What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we are going to talk about the top 5 reasons why you should buy the Nokia 5.4 smartphone. So here we go. So the reason number 1 is the design and the build quality of device. Nokia 5.4 is one of the most beautiful and premium looking smartphone available in this price segment, especially because of its back panel. It reflects the light in a very particular way to create the Aurora Borealis effect, and the textured back panel gives a very premium look and feel. Also on the front side we got a punch hole screen, unlike the other smartphones in this segment that still come with a notch on the screen. We got the USB Type-C port, a multifunctional fingerprint sensor, a dedicated microSD card slot, 3.5mm audio jack, and a dedicated Google Assistant physical key on Nokia 5.4. And the build quality is so nice that it looks so premium and way above its price segment. The reason number 2 is the performance. Nokia 5.4 comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor, Adreno 610 GPU, 4 or 6 GB RAM. So the overall performance is quite nice, it's very smooth and you won't feel any lag or issues in your daily usage. You can watch our gaming performance test of Nokia 5.4 to get the better idea about the performance of the device by visiting the link given in the description below or the one appearing at the top of the screen. The reason number 3 to buy the Nokia 5.4 is the battery life. It comes with 4000 mAh battery and on average usage you will get around 8 hours of screen on time on Nokia 5.4, and that is very impressive. Even on heavy usage you will get around 6 hours of screen on time, and once again it's quite nice as well. And if you're planning to buy a budget Android smartphone with nice battery performance, then Nokia 5.4 is a nice option for you. The reason number 4 to buy the Nokia 5.4 is the camera. It comes with lots of options and features that you will find on the Nokia 5.4 camera. We got a 48 megapixel primary camera along with 5 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, 2 megapixel dedicated macro lens and 2 megapixel depth sensor. The overall camera performance is quite nice and it comes with lots of features and options that you can use for the photography purpose. But one of the most highlighted feature is the dedicated cinema mode that you can use to record pro-grade videos on Nokia 5.4, and I guess you won't find this feature on any other smartphone in this price segment. The cinema mode allows you to record widescreen videos at 24 FPS. The user interface provides lots of information, options and controls, and it even gives the option to record videos in the H-log format to apply LUTs on the videos. So if you're planning to buy a budget Android smartphone with nice camera capability, especially something unique like the cinema mode for pro-grade videography, then this is the reason number 4 why you should buy the Nokia 5.4. And the reason number 5 is the software, OS updates and the user interface. Nokia 5.4 comes with Android 10 and the user interface is like the stock Android. So you won't find any custom Nokia applications or bloatware on Nokia 5.4, and Nokia provides monthly security updates always on time, and Nokia promises to provide all of the latest Android software updates at least for 2 years on Nokia 5.4. So if you like the stock Android experience on your smartphones and do not want to spend so much money on Google Pixel devices, then Nokia 5.4 is a very nice option for you for sure. So these are the top 5 reasons why you should buy the Nokia 5.4. So that's all for now. If you enjoyed watching this video and found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.